5 ways to stay relevant as a content creator. 5 ways to stay relevant as a content creator. Content creating is not something that you come in and you disappear. After 5 months, you come back again and you disappear for 2 months and you come back again. No, you can't be relevant if you are not consistent. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to share 5 things that can make you stay relevant. I know I am on my own part, I'm still relevant because I am also doing these 5 things. But there was a time in my life I wasn't doing these 5 things, and I noticed that I wasn't that relevant to myself. Okay, not even to my subscribers and to my viewers. Okay, I know a lot of you know about Davido, Wizkid, and the rest. The reason why they are still trending up till now, it is because they are up to date, they are relevant. There's one thing I love about Portable. Immediately Portable noticed that he is depreciating in trend. He'll come up with some things, and that is what most celebrities do. They can stitch up something just for them to stay relevant. All right. Number 1 on my list is stay up to date. When I say stay up to date, you keep an eye on the recent development in your niche. If you're into celebrity gist and if you're into trending news, you stay up to date. There was a time, by the time I was recording this video, Burna Boy and Chief Priest, Cubana Chief Priest, they had a little misunderstanding or a little fight. And if you are into celebrity gist and you did not make any post about that, and after 2 months, when everything has dissolved and you started making posts about Burna Boy and Chief Priest Cubana, you won't get any views, because there is time for everything. When that gist was trending, you weren't there. So now what is trending now is the election. Instead of you to post about election, you're posting about Burna Boy and Cubana Chief Priest. It doesn't tally. Okay, so number 1, for you to stay relevant as a content creator, you stay up to date, you follow up trends in your niche, look for new topics, new trending topics. Okay, so number 2 on my list is diversity of content. When I mean diversity of content, you don't put all your eggs in one basket. Because you're doing blogging doesn't mean you can't do vlogging, doesn't mean you can't do podcast. Okay, you can discover new niches. In YouTube, also in other social media platforms. If you want to put all your eggs in one basket, if you want to stay on one niche, you might not get what you want, except you've gotten that audience that you can divert, or you can divide your audience. Okay, this channel is for this channel is for that. But if you're just coming up, you're supporting yourself, you don't have any external support from anybody, diversity of content is very, very important. Sometimes you can jump on celebrity gist. If you're into blogging, if you're into vlogging, or you're into podcasting, sometimes you can divert into a celebrity gist. I remember there was a time 2 pastors in Nigeria, I don't want to mention the names, they had issues. So I just jumped on that particular topic. That wasn't my niche. But I jumped on that particular topic. I got engagement, I got revenue, and I also got subscribers. But since immediately that news ended, immediately that issues ended, I discovered that people were no more searching for that topic. So what did I do? I went to my studio and I turned off that particular, I didn't delete it, I only turned off the privacy. I turned off the video. But before I did that, I already gotten revenue from it, I already gotten subscribers from it, I already gotten watch time and revenue from it. So you see how I maximize the diversity of content. Okay, so that is it for number 2. And number 3 is invest in quality and consistency. Invest in quality and consistency. When I say quality and consistency, 1, quality, make sure you improve in your video editing. The audio, make sure you improve very well. Because you started with one small mic doesn't mean you end up with a small mic. Okay, even though that small mic gave you a lot of subscribers, that doesn't mean you will remain with that small mic. If you started your channel with a small camera, and as you progress, make sure you get a quality camera, because your viewers, there's what we call viewers retention, audience retention. Once your quality is not okay, it will not, that audience retention won't be there, because nobody will spend much time on your video when your video is blurring and the rest. Okay. And consistency. Make sure content creation requires smartness and consistency. Even though you're posting rubbish, make sure you're consistent with the rubbish you're posting. Even though what you're posting doesn't make sense, just be consistent in posting what you're posting. Out of 20 videos that you will post, the algorithm will pick up one, and that one can be your popular video, which can fetch you a whole lot of revenue. You can post in a week 4 videos. And one other secret in content creating is, if you can post 4 to 5 videos in a week, it's very, very important. You don't post one video. The secret in YouTube is, don't post one video and you disappear for 2 months, and you come back, you post another one, you disappear for 3 months. Instead of that, you compile those videos, then you post all in a week. Once you post those videos in a week, the algorithm will pick one and make it your popular video. Okay. And the last but not the least, the number 4 is engage with your audience and build a good community. When I say engage with your audience, apart from interacting on YouTube, you can still create a community. You can still create a community like a WhatsApp group, a WhatsApp channel, a Telegram channel, where you ask them questions and answer. Their contributions will really help you to excel in whatever you're doing, because the collective knowledge is better than just having one. So once you guys interact, you get to learn more. Okay, so questions and answer. Once you make a post like this on YouTube, you interact with the comments, because the way you interact with them in the comment section will give them more joy to come back and interact with your video. And once there is an interaction in your video, it also helps the algorithm to push it out to more viewers. Sometimes you come up on YouTube and a channel that you have not subscribed to will pop up on your feed, and you start seeing videos from a channel that you have never subscribed to. That is the result of engagement. Once that video has gotten enough engagement, the algorithm will push it out. Okay, so that is all for relevancy in content creating. Number 1, I say, is stay up to date. Number 2 is diversity of content. Number 3 is invest in quality content and consistency. And number 4 is build your audience. Build your audience. All right, so I've come to the end of this video. If you find this video helpful, I want you to like, share and subscribe to this channel as I come back with more educational content. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.